Hey everyone, in this quick video, I will show you exactly how to install Bingo Blitz on your phone. First, open up your Google Play Store, tap onto the search icon. In the search bar, type Bingo Blitz. Here, you will be able to see the Bingo Blitz official page account. Tap on it. If you want any extra information about the app, you will be able to see the game information. Now, tap install or get. Now, once it's downloaded, tap play, tap open or play, and you are ready for the game. And that's it. Now you are all set to enjoy Bingo Blitz. Play live multiplayer games, collect rewards, and travel the virtual world of Bingo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.